Three main factors, the first of which is the Australian dollar being a little lower. It's probably the least of the issues that's impacting, but it's still a factor. I guess the second one is the Australian situation. Obviously farmers have been reluctant sellers of old crop chickpeas, given the weather we're experiencing now and the outlook for winter crop plantings. That situation's probably just a touch easier in the last 48 hours or so, with a little bit of rain starting to show around the place. I guess gives people a bit more hope. I guess the third issue, and probably the most significant at the moment, is Pakistan. We've seen the markets inside Pakistan go up quite sharply in the last 2 to 3 weeks. They've got their crop in the ground okay over there, but it's sort of, I guess it's starting to flower in the next 4 weeks, and it needs a drink. If we were to see rain in Pakistan in the next probably 2, 3, maybe 4 weeks, then the situation would be either fully or partially alleviated, and we'd see the market probably react. Look, India's planted. I mean, there's some speculation as to the exact quantity of chickpeas planted this year. I think the fact is that the crop itself is in pretty good condition at the moment. It was planted with very, very good moisture. They had very heavy and late monsoonal rain, which was perfect for planting chickpeas. So it's in pretty good nick, but and the market within India is pretty steady, verging on depressed. I guess February is still the telling month. That's when we'll see most of the chickpeas flower, and the weather during February will still be the major factor that will determine the eventual size of the crop. Yeah, normally the millers and the importers would be very comfortable in carrying maybe at least 6 to 10 weeks of forward stocks. Right at the moment, with the action of the market we've seen in the last 12 months, that's turned into probably 6 to 10 days. So no one is prepared to carry any inventory and carry any stock forward, and that's been weighing fairly heavily on the market as well.